Switched to a professional account on Instagram but want to go back to a personal profile? Here's exactly how to turn off your creator or business account, step by step. First, open the Instagram app and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Now tap the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find For Professionals. This section only appears if you're currently using a creator or business account. Tap Creator Tools and Controls, then scroll to the bottom and tap Switch Account Type. You'll see two options: Switch to Personal Account and Switch to Business Account if you're a creator. Tap Switch to Personal Account, then confirm when prompted. Instagram will now remove the professional tools and return your profile to a personal account. You'll lose access to insights and the professional dashboard, but your posts, followers, and settings remain untouched. Go back to your profile and you'll see the professional dashboard is gone. You're now using a standard personal account again. And that's how to turn off your creator account on Instagram in 2025. Follow for more step-by-step social media tips and comment if you'd like a guide on switching back without losing saved content.